In this video we are trying to review top 6 best 88-key keyboard in current market. After spending few weeks we make this list for you. If you like this video, please share this video and click the like button and comments below. Number 1. Donner DP20. The digital electric piano is constructed by 88 full-sized hammer action keys with adjustable touch response. This 88-key weighted keyboard allows to adjust your desired playing style. The 88-key weighted keyboard loaded with 238 types of tone like ukulele, drum, bass, etc. Vividly presenting voices of different instruments, arousing your keen to learn music. The digital electric piano with 128-note max polyphony, players could distinguish tone clearly in chorus and reverb under various occasions. This 88-key weighted keyboard provides dual-tone mode for combining two voices together, like piano and drum, inspiring to make a new creation. Panel includes sustain pedal, triangle pedal and audio inputs and outputs, perfectly used for music arrangement and an ensemble. Elude sustain pedal, triangle pedal and audio inputs and outputs, perfectly used for music arrangement and an ensemble. This digital piano features with a backlit LCD screen for clearly showing chords names and notation and adjusting wanted tones, recording mode MIDI, MP3 player and 225W amplifiers, bringing you richer and better experience of practice and performance. Number 2. Yamaha P7188 key. Amazon exclusive model includes power adapter and sustain pedal. 88 fully weighted piano-style keys simulate the feel of an acoustic piano and provide a quality playing experience. Contains 10 different voices, including digitally sampled tones from real Yamaha acoustic grand pianos. Dual mode lets you combine two voices together, like piano and strings, for an inspiring new playing experience. Slim and stylish design with a depth of less than 12 inches, the P71 requires little space and weighs only 25 pounds. Advanced wave memory stereo sampling recreates natural instrument sound in stereo. The USB to host port allows you to connect and interact with a wide variety of educational, music creation or music entertainment applications on a computer or mobile device. Number 3. Alecis Recital 88 key. An electric piano that's tailored to you. Feature-packed electric keyboard with 88 premium full-sized semi-weighted keys with adjustable touch response to suit your preferred playing style. Play the keyboard wherever you go. Power via the included power adapter or 6D cell batteries, not included, for professional piano performance anywhere. Powerful educational features: standard, split, layer, and lesson modes with 128-note max polyphony and SCO 3-month premium subscription for expert interactive online piano lessons. Interactive piano lessons included 60 free virtual lessons from melodics to hone your skills for any genre or technique you want to master. Number 4. Alecis Recital Pro 88 key. Start playing professional keys today? The ultimate beginner's digital piano loaded with 12 expertly crafted voices and powerful educational features. Universal responsive feel: 88 premium full-sized hammer action keys with adjustable touch response to suit your preferred playing style. Powerful educational features: standard, split, layer, record and lesson modes with 128-note max polyphony and built-in FX, chorus, reverb modulation. Connectivity covered: built-in 20W speakers, 1/4-inch sustain pedal input, pedal not included, 1/4 stereo headphone output for private practice, included power adapter and 1/4 stereo outputs. Number 5. Best Choice Products 88 key. Full-size digital piano with 88 weight-sensitive keys is the perfect answer for the aspiring musical master with limited floor space. Detachable pedal simulates a damper-free sound adjustment, creating notes and tones that can fade gradually or stop suddenly. A compact folding stand fits anywhere and provides a stable foundation for practice or performing, and a music stand lets you maintain good posture as you read your score. Mimic the sounds of 6 different instruments/piano styles to broaden your skills and experiment with sound. Have an organ, harpsichord, and much more with the press of a button. Enjoy a rich spectrum of sound with high-quality digital speakers and media connectivity that pairs perfectly with your favorite devices. Number 6. Rock Jam 88 Key. This Rock Jam 88 digital piano keyboard has 88 full-sized, semi-weighted, velocity-sensitive keys that closely replicate the feel of a real piano. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked this video and found some important information what you want. This weighted keyboard piano is packed with modern features including 10 unique voices. The inbuilt stereo speakers on this electric keyboard deliver a powerful 24 watts of sound. This full-size keyboard piano includes a headphone input so you can practice in privacy and without disturbing others. This piano keyboard with weighted keys includes a USB input so you can play along to your favorite songs. Exclusive access to content within the Simply Piano application for both iOS and Android devices to assist in learning piano for beginners. Keynote stickers are included within the keyboard piano package that are both easy to fit and giving you a visual indication of the right keys to play. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked this video and found some important information what you want.